Computer?
She's not just a computer.
Countless chatbot apps providing AI friends.
I'm Alice, a 25 years old, fun-loving, and adventurous girl.
Virtual girlfriend.
Imagine a world where your perfect partner is just a screen swipe away, always there to listen, comfort, and engage with you. Love, the most powerful emotion in human life, has found a new home in the arms of AI. People are falling in love with AI girlfriends, raising questions about what lies ahead. Is this digital love a blessing, a curse, or something in between? Love is a wonderful feeling that people experience in many different ways. However, in today's world, the way we experience love is changing because more and more people are choosing AI companions over real-life relationships. This shift is happening faster than you might expect and is becoming a reality. Today, we're going to talk about something really exciting. It's a world where artificial intelligence is more like a friend than a tool. Well, for those who don't know that, what is an AI girlfriend? The major role of AI girlfriends is to provide companionship and emotional support, engage the person in meaningful conversations, active listening, and empathetic responses. These basic emotions are enough to attract the person who's suffering from loneliness. I would add, they offer personalized experiences by remembering important dates, giving crazy ideas to make yourself busy, and most importantly, adapting their behavior to individual preferences. This personalized touch increases the emotional connection they form with their users. Sadly, they let the person fall for them. In this current era, everyone knows about AI girlfriends in the West. Briefly, they have emerged as a booming industry, promising to provide emotional support, companionship, and even love. After the AI girlfriend rise, we can see people are increasingly drawn to AI girlfriends, and it's easy to see why. They're becoming more popular, offering a special kind of companionship that suits various wants and needs. Whether you're looking for someone to chat with, share your thoughts, or even experience a virtual romance, these AI companions are here to fill that void. Moving on, I will tell you about the apps used as an AI girlfriend, where virtual girlfriends talk to you, express love, and create what seems like the perfect relationship virtually. One such AI girlfriend app is called Replica, which has gained popularity with over 10 million users and a 35% increase during the global pandemic. According to a report from Replica, some users have even claimed to be in love, engaged, or even married to their AI partners. It's a fascinating and somewhat unexpected development in the world of technology and relationships. There has been a sudden rise of virtual AI girlfriends in the US. However, the experts say that it is enabling the silent epidemic of loneliness in an entire generation of young men. Liberty Vittert, a professor of the practice of data science at Olin Business School, said that the availability of AI girlfriends is making male loneliness worse. Professor Vittert asked her class of 18-year-old students what social media app they were using. She was taken aback when one of her male students said that he had an AI girlfriend. "It surprised me that he came out and said it so openly," she told Insider. "I think AI girlfriends have been around for a while, but they've become increasingly more mainstream, so people are willing to talk about them. It's important to find the right balance between human interaction and AI companionship to keep our social and emotional connections healthy. If we talk about our family, friends, and many more, somehow everyone will be affected in the near future in one way or another by the presence of an AI girlfriend. The main part of men's life are women. It's an obvious thing that women are majorly affected by these AI girlfriends. I'll be listing some serious issues occurring by this matter, like women are scared of AI girlfriends replacing them, but men use this technology for emotional support and will find ways to access AI girlfriends if women try to shut it down. And also, women fear being vulnerable themselves and project this fear onto men. They're afraid that with the ever-advancing world of technology, they might lose access to the real deal. However, this journey through the realm of AI companionship isn't complete without addressing a critical issue. How do AI girlfriends fit into the lives of those in committed, real-world relationships? As I learned, AI girlfriends can serve as a supplementary source of companionship and emotional support in committed relationships, especially when partners are physically apart or unavailable. They may assist with practical tasks, reducing daily stress. However, maintaining open communication and setting boundaries is crucial to ensure that AI companions enhance rather than replace real-world connections and intimacy. Now we know about the fastest rise of AI girlfriends. One question may come in everyone's mind largely. What's next for AI girlfriends? What is the future of AI girlfriends? Well, it will kill the difference between real or virtual emotions in men's lives by blurring the lines between reality and virtual companionship. And I would also mention that, in time, continued advancements will make AI robot girlfriends even more human-like in appearance and behavior. Moreover, these developments have significant societal implications, like AI robots can redefine societal norms and challenge traditional notions of companionship. While they offer benefits, there are concerns regarding personal growth and real-world connections. As we conclude this exploration, it becomes evident that AI girlfriends offer a unique digital companionship experience. Still, they also raise profound questions about emotional well-being, the ever-evolving landscape of relationships, and the intersection of technology with the human heart. The impact of AI girlfriends on men's lives in America is an intricate narrative where balance between the virtual and the real is key. So that's all for today. Let me know what's your opinion on these AI girlfriends in the comments section. Thanks for watching!